Hello everybody, Bob here again with another green hinge door conversion. I converted my Wayne Daltons to green hinges and love them. My friend Paul here has a place that has amaar doors. They say you cannot convert those. We'll show you how to do it with green hinges. It just takes a few extra pieces and a few extra minutes. We have to take the little hinges out of the center they have. They're inserted and replace them with just a standard hinge. No problem, a couple bucks a piece. Put the green hinges on the place and ends, and we're set to go. I'm going to show you how to do it. All right, as you can see, we have all the hinges on the doors. Make sure the hinges are the correct direction, facing up with the wording on them. Make sure you have the right number hinges in the right place on the green hinges. 1, 2, and 3 in the correct order, top to bottom. Let's see how this thing opens up. Excellent, just like downtown.